So these are the ingredients you're going to need. You can choose whatever bread you want. This is just what I picked up today. As far as the ramen, beef is probably my favorite, but I've tried all the different kinds. Really, you can just play with it as you create your own Rammy Sammy. Mayonnaise, we're going to use this basically instead of butter, but you'll see that later. Next is your American cheese, 1 raw egg, and hot sauce of your choice. I've found that sriracha is my favorite with the ramen sandwich, but I have tried Tabasco and other ones as well. Enjoy.